evening, I am Deepika from KV Kelchan Nagar, Kannur, Kerala, KVS Sangathan. The name of my project is BioCell. There are numerous problems faced by our country today. Energy crisis is the pick of the topic in the modern world. So I emphasized on contributing to this field through my project. Everyone knows about this magic fruit papaya, which has got many properties and which is used in the field of medicine, cosmetics, etc. I am harnessing another important aspect of papaya, which can be the first step towards overcoming energy crisis. That is, stacked slices of papaya can generate electricity. So I have used these slices of papaya and sandwiched between the electrodes, copper and zinc. Copper acts as positive electrode and zinc acts as negative electrode, and this papaya is used as an electrolyte conducting medium. So on the zinc, oxidation takes place, and near the copper, reduction takes place, and thus flow of electron takes place. So one papaya slice constitutes one cell which can give an output voltage of 0.8 volt. Such 6 cells are connected in series to give an output voltage of 4.8 volt. So this was actually a trial and error method. First, I tested with many other fruits and vegetables like mango, potato, cashew fruit, tomato, carrot, radish, etc. And finally, I came to a conclusion that papaya is the most apt fruit to do this project because it has got many advantages, like it has got better electrolytic properties. Besides this, it has got a pulpy material, papain, which is a protein used for tenderizing meat. Then it is easily available at any time, anywhere in India, is cheap and has a highly moisture content, so it can continuously glow an LED for more than 4 days continuously without losing its brightness. So the basic concept of my project is to familiarize this idea among the poor people, among the rural people, so that the night travelers and the students will be equally benefited, and their life will be and their future will be as bright as the stars and the lamp. So as you can see, this is made up of eco-friendly material, that is